Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we learn about Hotbit Exchange. Hotbit.io is a best exchange to trade for cryptocurrency, especially for small coins. First of all, you have to register your account from the website hotbit.io. Click the register button. You will see a registration page here. Here you can register your account using two methods. One using phone number and the other one is through you can register through email, right? And if you want to register your account through your phone number, then select your country code here where you're living and then write your mobile number here to receive the code, and then click the send button and to save your code and mobile number and put the mobile code here like this. This is the example of the code I am writing here. And next one, uh, write down your password here and then reconfirm your password and then write the referral ID. Referral ID you can get from your friend who already trading on hotbit.io exchange. Yeah, and in further next we will read about how we can get and from where we can find out the referral ID to send someone friends who want to join using our links. And the next we have to click here we can write referral ID and then click I agree the terms and policy, then click register button. So your account will be registered with hotbit.io exchange. And the other way, you can register using email address, which is most popular and best and secure for everyone. So first you have to write your email address here and then click send button and open your email address, the email address you have mentioned here, and check your email for verification code to put it here like you can put your code here, right? And then write down your password here and reconfirm your password here and then write the refer ID here of your friend through which link you are registering here or the person who referred you. This is the refer ID of that. Okay, and then click the I agree the terms and policy in terms of and policies, and then click register button. Your account will be registered. Now open your email address and check the email address you will receive from hotbit.io to verify your account to continue for trading. Whenever you finished your registration, then you can log in on your account from here. Click login and then write your email address and then put your password here. I already registered on this exchange, so I'm using my username and password which is already created. And then click you have to set this security here that you're human to verify that you're home, right? Okay, then click login button here. Now you are logged in on your Hotbit account. You can see here you are logged in. Okay, uh, this is your balance. You can see your balance here if you have deposited already in shape of BTC or any points, right? And from here you can check my fund and my deposit, my withdraw. You can check here. You can also check it from a shortcut. You can deposit from here, but first of all you have to set two-factor Google authentication with Google. You have to set up from here, then you will be able to deposit your amount into hotbit.com in shape of BTC or any coins. So we will teach about the security section on next video. I want to teach you a short about um, how to create account and how to log in this time. Okay, now go to withdraw. The same situation will be there until and unless you never set two-factor Google authentication. You will not be able to withdraw or deposit balance here, right? And from here you can see the transaction whatever you have done here. If you have transferred any coins, withdraw or deposit, whatever you did, you can see all transaction history here, right? And this is a very simple way how to register account and how to log in your account. And the other one I discussed before about referral ID. You can find that from here. Go to referral bonus and click this one, and this is your referral ID. This one, you can send this ID to any of your friend who want to join using a referral ID and can make his own account. And if you want to send the direct link of hotbit.io exchange including your referral link, you can copy and paste uh, this link into his WhatsApp number or email address to register your friend using your referral link. This is the best opportunity for those who are trading with each other referral links to receive commissions from hotbit.io exchange. Whenever of your friend or family members whoever joined with your referral link, whenever he deposit, trade or trade the money, trade the coins on exchange or deposit the money on exchange, you will receive some percentage from your company, which is already mentioned here according to the amount. I hope you learned how to create account and how to log in into your account. So in the next video we will teach about its security. Google 2FA, two-factor authentication, and I will teach about how to deposit, how to withdraw money, and how to trade coins on this exchange in the inshallah. And thanks for watching my video, and hope you will like my channel for upcoming new videos with new techniques and tips about Hotbit Exchange. Thank you. Goodbye.